Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video we have another epic package from Speedcube Shop. As always, I'd like to give Speedcube Shop a massive thank you for sending this package out to me. If you want to buy any Speedcubes, be sure to get it at Speedcube Shop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. Ooh, I see some exciting stuff. Alright, so the first thing I see is this Speedcube Shop Matrix Mini Mat. I honestly love this design and I'm so glad they finally got it in stock. Therefore, I just picked it up as soon as I saw it. Here's the mini mat as you guys can see, and honestly it does look fantastic. Comparing it to my white gradient mat, both of them look really nice. However, I definitely prefer the look of the Matrix. To go along with this mini mat, we've also got the brand new timer, the SpeedStacks Gen 5 timer. Alright, so opening this up, this is a little bit shorter than the Gen 4 timer, and no, I don't have any batteries on me right now. Honestly, comparing this to my G4, yeah, the G4 probably does look better as of now because I'm more used to it. However, in person, the G5 really doesn't look all that bad. I think it's just a matter of getting used to, and over time I'm sure that people will adapt to the G5 timer. Comparing their functionality, in the 2-pad mode, the G5 timer feels almost the same as the G4 timer. It's just a matter of getting used to a bit. All in all, I don't think the G5 timer will affect my pickups all that much, and I will definitely make a full review shortly. The cube we have in here is definitely very exciting. Of course, it is the Cosmic PVC coated Volk 2M. Before we get into the unboxing of the puzzle, I just want to mention that it's pretty great that Speedcube Shop provides a cleaning kit with their PVC coated cubes. I'm not going to be having a look at this cleaning kit as of now. However, if my cube ends up getting too dirty, I will make a video on how to clean it out, so let's take a look at this later. Now let's get into the cube. And the box seems to be open. It's probably customs that opened it. They always want to mess around with other people's things. And here we are. Here's the cube in the plastic wrap, and we have this SCS Cosmic logo. As you guys can see, it is quite different to my Cosmic WRM's logo. However, that doesn't really matter too much. I like both of them. Anyways, I've never tried PVC coating before and I'm just way too excited, so let's just open this right up. Oh no, it looks like the plastic wrap has stuck to the cube, and that's not a good sign. Okay, great. Finally, I was able to get it open. And feeling this right off the bat, wow. Okay, this does feel very frictiony, if that's a word. Yeah, like when I rub my fingers across, it just doesn't go as far, which is very interesting. I hope this will help a lot with grip, but let's just get right into first turns. Sorry, my phone stopped recording, but out of the box it has a very nice, smooth and plush feeling. As you guys can hear, it's also really quiet compared to other Volk 2s. And comparing it to my main Volk 2 here, yeah, the PVC one is definitely a lot softer because of the Cosmic setup, and overall it feels really nice and I can't wait to get into doing some solves with this. As of now, the PVC coating does feel very promising. However, I can't judge until I've broken it in and done a bunch of solves, so I will definitely be making a full review on this cube. The cube as of now is not even as slow as I'd expected, because most Cosmic cubes out of the box are really slow, but this one is quite fast, so either it'll get too fast after break-in or the break-in process will be quite short. So yeah, all in all, I'm super happy with this PVC coated Cosmic Volk 2M, and I think it's gonna be an instant main. The fact that the 2x2 world record average was set on a Cosmic Volk 2M probably says how good the cube is. I'm overall super happy with this, and be on a lookout for some solves on my RAM Solves channel as well as a full review on this channel. Okay, so my mom's gotten both the cubes, the PVC one and the regular Volk 2, and she's gonna tell us what she thinks of them.
This has a nice, like an acrylic feel, and it just has a better grip, I think.
Okay, that's pretty cool. What about the other one? It's just the standard plastic.
Yeah, it just looks like the regular 2x2. Means I'm sure it is your Speedcube, but still this is feeling a bit more special.
Alright then, thank you mom. So that's about it for my unboxing from Speedcube Shop. Once again, a massive thank you to them for sending this out to me. The Cosmic Volk 2M is pretty much an instant main. As for the Gen 5 timer, I need to put batteries into it and get used to it. However, once I've gotten used to it, I will make a full review for you guys and let you know what I think. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.